This country has had a large variety of different flags, but we start off with my namesake for the flags of the Republic of the Union of Myanmar. As with many Asian countries, the earliest flag of the area was plain with an animal in the centre. For Myanmar, it was a peacock, as introduced in 1287, and went through a number of changes over the hundreds of years. The peacock was symbolic of the sun and Buddhism, as well as the happiness and unity. When the British arrived, after changing the country's name to Burma, used the Union flag until this blue ensign was used. In 1943, a Japanese-sponsored regime took control and brought in this tricolour version. This led to Britain in 1948 recognising the independence of Burma, who used a new flag, the 5 smaller stars symbolising the unity of the country's ethnic groups. In 1974, a new governing regime modified the flag, this time the 14 stars representing the country's political subdivisions. Doesn't quite have the same poetic ring to it. The large star also being replaced by a cogwheel for the industrial workers and 2 ears of rice for peasants. I'm sure it was only symbolic. In 2010, the country became what it is today. It introduced a new reminiscent version of the 1940s flag, but this time no peacock. Yellow is solidarity, green for peace, red represents courage, and the star for unity. For an episode of one of Myanmar's neighbours, click here.